tight. In my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know that I can. So baby, please don't let me blow it. Baby, please don't let me blow it. You can't do this, but I know that I can. You gotta do this from the heart. You won't do this, you won't start. I just gotta play the cards in my hand.
What's going on, fam? Welcome back to another video. Today, the car got done already. So I feel like it wasn't a long time ago before we dropped where we're recording again, but he literally finished the car in like 2 days. So he hit me up yesterday, said that the car is ready, and he drove it around, everything feels good. And I know you guys were concerned about the aftermarket clutch cable, but somebody in the comments, I appreciate whoever it was, but yeah, someone in the comments told me that just to lubricate it and the clutch cable would be good. And he already knew about that. He said, yeah bro, I usually always, you know, lubricate the clutch cable. So he said everything's running good, the clutch feels good. So we're about to go pull some money out right now, go pick up the car and fill the new clutch, man. I'm excited to put some new miles on it. So yeah, we're gonna head that way right now, and then we'll pick it up when we get over there. All right boys, we're here. Glad I got this money real quick. Stoked, man. Honestly, I'm nervous. I'm nervous to get this clutch because I'm not sure how it's gonna feel. I don't know if it's gonna feel like stock or if it's gonna be kind of rough, but I think it's good, man. He said it feels good, so we're gonna put these 500 miles on, and then, boy, we can get to racing. So, yeah, man. I know it's gonna be kind of weird because you can't, I can't show you guys obviously the clutch because it's inside the transmission, obviously, but yeah, it's gonna be good, man. I'm just gonna try to show you guys. I'm gonna get you guys my first reaction on how it feels at the cash. Let's get it, baby. There she is. Damn. Hell yeah. Take that head wrap off that was hanging. What's going on, dog? Was it fairly simple or give you problems?
Yeah, it's pretty simple. Just lining up the here's your key right here. What's it? Dowel pins on the.
Oh, the dowel pins?
Yeah.
Did it come with them?
Yeah, it came with it.
Yeah, okay.
It's the only little tricky part about it, really.
Yeah, it feels a little bit more stiff, but you think it'll get softer with the braking or no? That's the clutch feel. Strawberry was gone. Oh, okay. Yeah.
It's not that bad.
Yeah, the flywheel. Yeah. Yeah, because I got an aluminum manifold. Yeah, oh yeah, it's like that's pretty cool too, but you don't need that. Yeah. Yeah, someone was telling me that the specs give off a little chatter, a chatter in the clutch, but I think we'll be alright, man.
Yeah, I didn't put it. Yeah, it'll be alright. It's a lot better once you get on it when you're driving.
Hell yeah.
You'll hear the difference.
Yeah, what do you think, like 500 miles or like 800?
I'd give it like 300 miles.
300?
Fuck it now, fuck it. That shit made for that shit.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. I mean, it's not. You only give it 500 miles if you think you did it wrong.
Yeah, for sure.
It should be alright. I don't feel like I don't have any problems.
Yeah.
I don't fucking know anything either, so.
Alright, brother, I appreciate it, man.
Be safe, man.
Yes, sir. So the clutch does feel a little bit heavier, I'm not gonna lie. Dad ain't gonna like that shit, bro. Hold up, man. Yeah.
Oh, it's just tight.
Yeah.
It feels better.
Yeah, it feels heavy duty.
So what do you
Feels
say?
good.
Ready to go right after rip or what?
Go.
Start busting this hole. Oh my god.
Man, it's like, it feels like the diesel. Our bone. And it feels tight as that's a workout right there.
I like that though. I like a heavier clutch feel than like a light one. Like the S550s and the 5.0s are real light, but this one feels good, man. I'm glad. I mean, you guys can hear there's no throttle noise or nothing. Sounds damn good. Yeah, I saw that flywheel, man. That flywheel had a lot of hot spots on it, but we're good, man. We're gonna go on a little drive right now, and I'll tell you guys what I think. I'm excited to get on the road right now, so let's go. All right, gonna go right here, reset that, and then when it goes to 500, be ready to rock. So, oh hell yeah, it feels good. Yeah, man, this is a better workout right here. My dad already didn't like driving the car because he has something messed up with his toe, but yeah, he ain't gonna be able to drive it now. He's gonna hate this. He's gonna hate this car. All right, so you guys heard him. All right, let's go. We're gonna go first gear real quick. Oh my God. This thing engages all the way at the top now. Holy shit, I have to get used to this. Oh my God. Yeah, this is crazy. Alright. Damn, this thing is, it's totally different now. It feels like a different car. I get used to this thing. Alright. So as you guys heard, I asked him if it was like 500 miles because that's what spec recommends. But he said like 300 miles to send this thing. So I think I'm gonna do the 500 just to be safe, you know, just so we don't have to do this whole process again and I don't have to go through warranting out the clutch and stuff. But yeah, man, I mean, just driving like normal is just a tougher clutch. But I felt like the stock clutch it grabbed a lot closer at the very bottom, and now this one's like all the way at the top. This is gonna feel good grabbing gears in this. All the way to the top, bro. Look, watch. Look. Hit Richard. Think it's still not engaging?
Yeah.
That's engaging. It's grabbing right there. Fuck. Look, watch. I'll show you where it stops. Right there, bro. It's like engaging like right there. That's crazy.
Another one like halfway.
Yeah. Almost like a quarter down, bro. Yo. This hoe is crazy, bro. Like, the engagement point is all the way at the top now. Like, clutch is like right here. You go like all the way to the top, it starts grabbing, and then this is like the release point. It's like all the way at the top now, bro. Yeah, boys, we did it. So, I didn't think that it would be that heavier, but it definitely is. Like, you can definitely feel the difference. And assuming that I just dropped it off like 2 days ago, yeah, I got a little bit of rock to it. Yeah. So, yeah, I dropped it off 2 days ago, so I felt the clutch like the way it was, and now it wasn't like a long way away, so like I had a good comparison. It's definitely a lot heavier, but it feels like strong. So like I cannot wait to just do watt pulls and just dump that clutch and just feel that thing just kicking hard. But it's going down, man. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. So yeah, man, we're gonna go park this thing at the new house and then we straight, bro. I know, guys, this is gonna be a shorter video, but I just wanted to show you guys, you know, the car is back, everything's good, clutch feels good. It's not, you guys were telling me that it's like sticky and stuff. I could actually show you guys the clutch quadrant. I haven't seen it yet. Fuck, it's hard to get the camera in there. But yeah, you guys can see the aluminum clutch quadrant right there. Pedal feels really good. I don't even know if I can push this thing down my hand. Ugh, yeah, it's hard to push this thing down my hand. So, you know, this thing, it definitely got tighter. And I don't know, I'm not sure if you guys heard me because the car was on. But he said when he was disassembling that the old throwout bearing, it literally broke apart, man. So this thing was probably on its way to start chattering. This is the clutch right here. I can't really see any hot spots on this thing, but you know, it was definitely time for some upgrading. Usually the hot spots would be like right here. There's a little one right here, and you would see like burn marks just like this is. This thing has a lot of burn marks on it. I'm not sure if that one was even salvageable, because my dad actually wanted me, he's like, dude, you don't need to spend all that money on a lightweight flywheel and you can just have yours resurfaced. This thing is stupid heavy, bro. Damn, did you pick up the other one? Bro, this thing is stupid heavy. Like, the aluminum one is this thing is heavy. But yeah, man, it was time for a new one for sure. The car got some love. New clutch, new flywheel, and then this box right here. And so I forgot I left the jets in that box, and he was like, yo, I was gonna put the 150 jets in for you, but I didn't have time. But it's all good, man. It's all good. This thing, look. These are the burn marks also on the clutch disc itself. This thing. So I know a lot of you guys were worried that I actually got a spec throwout bearing. I guess those aren't good, but I actually got a Ford Performance one, so I think we're straight. The only thing that you guys are worried about is the spec clutch giving off some chatter. And right now, to be honest, it's running so good. I think we're straight. We're just gonna get that 500 miles mark, and I'm just gonna be driving this thing everywhere. So rack up those miles. I think next video we'll be doing the intake manifold install. Yeah, guys, I think that's gonna be it for today. We're just picking up the car, showing you guys that everything's straight still, and you know, it's running tip top. I just wanted to hit it so hard because I don't know how to explain. Like, you guys can't feel it through the camera, obviously, but it feeling so tough. This thing is just gonna chirp tires all day long when we do our watt pulls. So yeah, guys, I want to thank y'all so much. Got so many things coming on the way. Thank y'all so much, man, for all the continued support. I really appreciate it. All the comments, everything. Please drop a comment down below and like this video if you guys enjoyed it. So much things on the way, man. So much things. Shout out my boy Richie behind the camera. You wanna show yourself?
Man, got him.
My boy always here supporting. So yeah, man, so much things on the way, man. It's your boy 4.6 Chris. Cannot wait for this 150 shot, man. It's gonna be stupid. It's gonna be stupid. All right, thank y'all so much. We'll see y'all later.